saw my previous video, I'm just going to show you what was in this bag. Because I didn't show it. This is eyeliner. I just opened this bag. This is a glimmer stick. I don't know if it'll focus. Probably won't. Ideal Nude Liquid Foundation. 14 samples. Again, Ideal Nude Liquid Foundation. 14 samples. I went kind of sample crazy. This is an eyeshadow quad. I don't really want to open these because I'll probably give these away as prizes. This is Ideal Flawless Invisible Coverage Liquid Foundation, 14 samples. This is a single eyeshadow. Does it say what color? Champagne. The eyeshadow quad. Oh, got it. Gilded Metallics. This is a Glossy Tube Lip Gloss. Again, I don't want to open these boxes because it's going to be for someone. This is red lipstick in the color Enduring Wine. Probably can't see that. This is also Enduring, oh no. Yeah, this is Enduring Wine as well. This is a Spring Wishes bracelet. Hug. Oh, I remember what this is. This is, sorry about my feet, they're dry. This is a lip balm. Does it have a color? Plum Passion. That's kind of interesting. And a mascara, Big and Daring. So that's what was in the little bag. Because I just filmed and uploaded the other video, so I'll show you this because this one's mine. I got this because I thought it was so cute. It looked really cute. I'm probably not gonna wear it, but it looked too cute to pass up, and it wasn't very expensive. Sending a big hug your way, may all your worries flutter away. And then there's Spanish for those who speak Spanish. I think it's Spanish. No, maybe it's French. I thought it would be Spanish because everything is in like Spanish and English. So, this is mine, so. And then there's this little packet. L'Amour Avon. The Avon Standard. Oh, there's Spanish and French and English in here. It's little care instructions. Good thing I got more than one of these. They're coming tomorrow along with my customer orders because this is just the samples. That poor UPS guy. Alright. Ew, there's like something on my pants. Sorry about that. I hope you have a great day or night or whatever time of day it is for you. Goodbye.